Welcome to Compare to Win. The best brow kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in achieving a polished and defined facial appearance, transforming sparse or unruly brows into perfectly sculpted frames that enhance your natural beauty and elevate your entire look with minimal effort. Number 5. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit. Discover the ultimate waxing experience with our premium kit. It's designed for everyone, making at-home waxing simple and effective. Whether you're new to waxing or a seasoned pro, this kit has everything you need. It includes wax beads, applicators, and essential pre- and post-care products. Our specially formulated wax is gentle and effective, even on sensitive skin. Enjoy smooth results without irritation. This comprehensive kit provides a complete solution for hair removal. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Achieve beautifully smooth skin with ease. Our kit is designed for convenience and superior performance, suitable for both women and men. What we like? This kit offers an incredibly easy waxing experience, perfect for those new to at-home hair removal. Its gentle formula is designed for sensitive skin, minimizing irritation. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to remove unwanted facial or body hair at home with minimal fuss, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit includes everything you need to create perfect brows, from shaping to filling and setting. The brow pencil has a fine tip that allows for precise application, creating hair-like strokes. The included spoolie brush is great for blending and grooming brows into place. Number 4. Aesthetica 16-piece Brow Contour Kit. Achieve flawless eyebrows with this comprehensive 16-piece makeup palette. It includes everything you need to shape, fill, and define your brows with precision. Discover the versatility of this kit, featuring 6 rich brow powders and 5 shaping stencils. You can easily create a variety of looks, from natural to dramatic. This all-in-one solution comes with a spoolie brush for blending, tweezers for shaping, and brow wax for hold. It's your complete eyebrow grooming station. Add a touch of radiance with the included highlighter, perfect for accentuating your brow bone. It helps to lift and brighten your entire eye area. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This elegant brow contour kit makes an ideal present for any woman. Surprise her with the gift of perfect brows on her birthday or any occasion. What we like? This is your go-to for creating perfectly sculpted brows with a variety of shades and tools. It includes everything you need, from powders to wax and stencils, for a professional finish. If you love experimenting with different brow looks and want a versatile kit that offers precision and customization, this palette is an excellent choice. What people say. This kit is amazing. It has everything you need to create perfect brows. The tweezers are precise and the spoolie brush is great for blending. I love the brow powder in this kit. It's highly pigmented and blends beautifully, making it easy to achieve a natural look. The stencils included in the kit are a game changer. They make it so easy to get symmetrical brows every time. Number 3. LAVONE 4-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE 4-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect brows. This versatile kit is designed to help you achieve natural, full-looking eyebrows with ease. Never worry about smudging or fading again. Our formula is completely waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring your look stays flawless all day long. This kit includes everything you need: a brow pencil, pomade, eyeliner, and a brow brush. Effortlessly switch between tools to define, fill, and shape your brows. Achieve beautifully natural and full brows that enhance your features. The included tools allow for precise application, giving you the power to sculpt your ideal look. Perfectly suited for those with dark brown hair, this shade blends seamlessly. It provides definition without looking harsh, creating a truly natural finish. Designed for durability, this makeup stays put through any activity. Enjoy confidence knowing your brows will remain impeccable, no matter the conditions. What we like? Achieve flawless, natural-looking brows that last all day, no matter the conditions. This multifunctional tool combines a pen, pomade, and liner for ultimate convenience. If you need a reliable, long-lasting solution for everyday wear or active lifestyles and prefer a natural, full brow effect, this kit is ideal. What people say. The brow pencil has a fine tip that allows for precise application, making it easy to create natural-looking hair strokes. The spoolie brush is firm yet gentle, perfect for blending the product and grooming brows into place. The kit includes a clear brow gel that sets brows without stiffness, keeping them in place all day. Number 2. Fab Brows Duo Eyebrow Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with our ultimate brow stencil kit. It includes everything you need for flawless definition. This compact kit features a powder, mirror, and shaper for easy application on the go. Get salon-quality brows anytime, anywhere. Our waterproof formula ensures your brows stay put all day, resisting smudging and fading. Enjoy beautiful brows that last. Create a beautifully contoured look with this versatile palette. It enhances your natural features for a polished appearance. Available in light medium brown, this kit is designed to complement a wide range of natural eyebrow colors. Find your perfect match. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential eyebrow cosmetic. It's the perfect addition for achieving your desired brow look. What we like? Get effortless, perfectly shaped brows that stay put through anything. The included stencils make achieving symmetry a breeze, and its compact size is great for on-the-go touch-ups. If you desire quick, foolproof brow definition and a waterproof finish, this kit is perfect for busy mornings or travel. What people say. The brow pencil has a fine tip that allows for precise application, creating natural-looking strokes. The spoolie brush is firm yet flexible, perfect for blending the product and grooming brows. The kit includes a clear brow gel that sets hairs in place without stiffness or flaking. Number 1. UCANBE 25 PCS Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit. Tired of uneven or time-consuming eyebrow shaping? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve flawless brows in minutes. This all-in-one kit makes perfection simple. Inside this comprehensive set, you'll find everything you need. From dual-color pomade for precise application to reusable stencils for perfect symmetry, it's all here. Choose from 20 different reusable eyebrow stencils to create your desired look. Achieve consistent, beautiful results every single time you use it. Enjoy smudge-proof and waterproof brows that last all day. Our specially formulated pomade ensures your look stays put, no matter the conditions. This kit also includes finishing powder, a brush, and an eyebrow razor for a complete grooming experience. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient zipper pouch. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit simplifies your beauty routine. Get ready to love your eyebrows like never before. What we like? This kit revolutionizes brow shaping with its innovative stamping technique for speed and precision. With a vast array of stencils, you can easily find your perfect shape. If you're seeking the fastest way to achieve perfectly symmetrical and full brows, especially if you struggle with drawing them freehand, this stamping kit is a game changer. What people say. The brow pencil has a fine tip for precise application. The spoolie brush is great for blending. The kit includes a brow wax to set the hairs in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.